I don't know why I was made this way, but God has his own will. He's got a bad body. I say he's not taking care of his body. It's been hit by lightning 3 times, you know. It's got lightning scars, and he's still standing tall out there, taking lots of beatings, getting over 1,000 volts, well over 1,000 volts into him. Wind blowing outside. I don't know if we thought it, but I seem to remember us saying, "It just feels the same to me. I can't make out their shape, actually." He is talking, but I don't know if we just thought that or we were pretending it. I like to touch the grass. I can tell what color it is by touching it. If I touch it and it feels a certain way, I know that it's green. And if it feels hard, I know that it must be brown. But I wonder how fast we can go. I'm still wondering about that. Once I wondered how fast a human can go. I know that they can't go very fast compared to some of the other animals. A long time ago, I used to make games out of the wind. And there was a crowd there, and I used to use the wind for the crowd when it was cheering or when it was just buzzing around waiting for a play, a good play. And when there was a touchdown, I make believe that the wind, when it was blowing real hard, you know, I just wouldn't have any fun because it's so big and high and I can't see what I'm riding around. I don't feel that there's any sense to riding around. I mean, if you can't see when you ride and you can't see what the things look like. I just like the way they feel. And I can tell when it's going to rain because I know what color the sky is because of the clouds. I can tell when the sky is gray, and I can tell when the sky is black. I don't know exactly what black looks like. I just think of it as a dark color. But when someone who can see looks at a black cloud, he can see not just the dark, but he can see the color of it. All I can see is just the dark shadow, but I know that it's black because of the dark shadow. I like thunder. At night it just breaks the dead silence. At time when thunder comes, it makes everything a whole lot better.